Regarding how to integrate Lead Square with Frisian. So first you need to go to apps, then apps marketplace, then you need to search for universal telephony. But as you can see, we have already installed it. So you need once it is installed from your end, just click on the setting option and click on configure. Once it is done, you need to go to agent pop-up API. Then you have to copy this API and you have to share it with Frisian team. Then you have to go to call logs API. You have to copy this call logs API and you have to share it with Frisian team. Then you need to go to click to call. So in the URL section, you can see it's api.frisian.com. So if you'll check in your CRM, it will be sandbox. So you need to replace it with api.frisian.com. Then in the custom header, you need to click on add. Here you have to, in the name section, you have to write authorization, and in the value, you have to write API dash key, a space, and you have to paste the API key which you will get it from super admin or admin Frisian account. Okay. Once it is done, just click on add. After that, the response keyword would be success. The HTTP method would be post. Then the request type would be JSON. Then response time will be JSON, and then you have to enable it and then save. Once it is done, you have to go to virtual number section. Here you have to add a virtual number in this format, just how you can see. So to add a virtual number, just click on add. Just write down the virtual number in this format. Make sure the virtual number is there in anybody's Frisian account. Then you have to write the name of your virtual number, and then you have to click on save. And then you have to click on this save, and then you have to log out your Lead Square account. Log out and log in. After that, you have to go to this profile icon, and then you have to go to manage users. Now, basically, here you will be able to see all the details of your Lead Square users who are using. So you have to go to setting option, then you have to click on edit. Then in the just click on this edit and take the user's virtual number and paste it over here in the agent phone number. Make sure you follow this format. Then you have to go to other details. Then click on setting. Just add a telephony agent ID. Make sure this agent ID is different for each and every users. This ID can be anything. Okay. Then you need to click on this enable option for show phone call pop up, and then you have to click on save. That's it. The integration is done.